Here's a reminder. It's not just okay to step back and take care of ourselves. It's a responsibility. Self-care doesn't have to mean hours at the spa or gym. It can look like unplugging from the news for a bit, setting boundaries around what conversations and activities you're willing to have and be involved in, or making time for something as simple as a quiet cup of tea or a walk in nature. Sometimes it's just about giving ourselves permission to say no to what drains us and yes to what fills us up. Let's commit to checking in with ourselves daily, listening to what we need and honoring that. Doing more of what fills our tank and less of what drains our battery.